Okay, so this is a question that I get asked all the time. So let me firstly say, you cannot spot reduce, meaning you can't do 1000 sit-ups every single night and lose belly fat. Unfortunately, that's just not how it works. Read this and you will see that even if you target a specific muscle during exercise, your body doesn't only draw energy from the cells you are exercising, it gets energy from any of the fat cells in the body. Now with this being said, I know you still want to lose belly fat fast. So let me tell you a few ways I look at it when I'm helping clients. Firstly, if you want to lose belly fat as fast as you possibly can, for example, by the end of this week or next, cardio is the best exercise you can do. So do some HIIT sessions, walking, running, bike riding, swimming, boxing, whatever cardio you enjoy. Secondly, add strength training into your balanced exercise routine along with your cardio. It will make you look better and more defined as you lose body fat, helping you appear leaner, and it will help you keep off the fat you lose. Because the more muscle you have, the faster your metabolism. The faster your metabolism, the more calories that you burn off at all times. The more calories that you burn off, the easier it is to lose weight and the easier it is to keep off your lost weight. So add strength training into your weekly exercise routine. And thirdly, and most important of all, if you truly want to lose belly fat, you need to eat in a calorie deficit. Decrease salt intake, eliminate processed foods, fast food, alcohol and soft drinks, and instead drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day and eat clean, nutritious foods. There is no two ways about it. This will help you lose belly fat the fastest, because nutrition is the biggest key of all to losing belly fat fast.